Hey you guys, it's me, your nosy neighbor lady. Yeah, it's me. What's up? We gon' what they call it? Ungift, unwrap, unbox. Y'all know I know how to thirst trap if I want to. Y'all know I've been on this internet. I learned that gaslighting is just another word for lying. That's why I really oh yeah, this is what is this? This is Pleasurably Scented. You can't. Oh, you can see it now. You can see it now. Yeah, supposed to be like a lot of natural products in it. Yeah, this is cute to death though. Precious Simmons LLC. What do y'all call it? The unbox or the unwrapping? Anyway, we're in my living room, and this is what we are. Oh, what is this? I gotta find y'all. Y'all know I don't do all this special stuff. Y'all gotta read backwards. Put the phone in the mirror. Put the computer in the mirror. Victoria Reginae tall bar soap. Ingredients: palm oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, olive oil, distilled water, sodium hydroxide, food grade. So that's the kind you put in the food. Skin safe, mica, colorant. Y'all know mica is a mineral. Yeah, mineral. And skin safe fragrant. Y'all know my words I never write. Ain't this the cutest? And them all real products on the packaging. Oh wow. I can't wait to try this out. So I guess well, you know what? I'm not gonna lie. I got a strawberry shortcake soap from her, and what I do is I wash with my regular soap, and then I wash with that after. But that's why I think you're supposed to use body washes too. Like I think you're supposed to use your soap and then rinse over it for the smell. But I don't know. I'm a regular lady. Oh, look at these sprinkles. Can y'all see the sprinkles? This is a different one. This is pomegranate swirl. Look, see, this how the cheesecake one was, but it was cutting like a cheesecake pie. And I was like, girl, you got to send me that. But this coconut oil, cocoa butter, castor oil, shea butter, palm oil, distilled water, fragrance, and sodium hydroxide, the type you put in the food. But ain't this the cutest though, y'all? Well, you're not buying it because it's cute. You're buying it because it's quality products. Yeah. I don't care if this lipstick too light. It matched your dress. It was $5 in my favorite store, Rainbow. Oh yeah, this is some lip scrub. But I used this before. You can't even see it on there, guys. Oh, there you go. Ain't that so cute? Yeah, I liked it. And then it was like only $2. And you know how your lips get like peely and cakey, like when you put on lip stuff and stuff. Sometimes it like get peely or like, and then you just put that on there and do it. It kind of make you want to eat it because it got like real sugar in there. You can taste it, but that's for the greedy people like me. Oh, this is the, I use some of this. I put everything back and this is the body butter cream, but she got one that's whipped too. This is like a real cream. Like it's a real cream. Like look, it's I don't know if it's for your face, but you could like smell that there's some cocoa butter and shea butter in here. She didn't put the ingredients on this one. But I put this on last night. I ain't messing with y'all. And something that's not, you know, they say cream now, and it don't even be creamy. It just be like that little cheap lotion still. And you'd have paid all this money. Yeah, I remember Bath and Body creams used to actually be real creams. Oh, this what is this? Y'all know what this is. I actually have not used one of these before yet. So I guess I'm gonna see what that be like. I don't know. She hooked me up though, Vanilla Deluxe. It smell good, but I just never did a bomb, so I guess I'm gonna do the bomb thing, the bath bomb. I just don't know. Something with fizzing in the water. Oh, this is a surprise. Oh, this is cause these are real ingredients, like you know, flipped upside down. But this is real, like it's on here. Sugar cane, hemp seed oil, grape seed oil, fractionated coconut oil, olive oil, and essential oils, and skin-safe fragrance. Use after shower or bath. While standing in the shower, take 2 tablespoons full of place in hand. Y'all know my words. Use precaution due to may cause the tub to be slippery. Well, I'm reading it how I read it. That's not, it's much better grammar. Y'all know I just kind of skimp. Wow. Do I feel mud like my elbows and knees and stuff? And I guess it'll like exfoliate my whole body. So this is body sugar scrub. I'ma definitely tell y'all what happened. So I guess it'll be like a part 2. But that's the ungifting. I like this though. And like I say, she got a body butter that's whipped. Like, you know how you have cream cheese and then the whipped cream cheese? Yeah. But this is like the solid one. Like, you know, when you, like I actually put it on last night and it was on me all night and that's what I wanted. I want to be sticky and moisturized, so I know that I'm sticky and moisturized. Well, not sticky, but like I want to feel the film on my body under my dress to know that I'm, oh, sorry, y'all. I'm trying to turn y'all out on this channel. But nah, this is the Bath Bomb Vanilla Deluxe. So I guess I just drop it in there. I hope my pH don't be off balance. Let me stop playing. Nah, for real, I've never used one of them bombs. My daughter did before, and I do Epsom salt. You know what I'm saying? But I'm an old school lady. This is the cherry. The last one I had was apple. The lip scrub. It's real sugar in here. And then it's not all that, like, fragrance stuff where it just smell good and ain't no quality. It's like you can smell the olive oil. You can smell that these are real products. You can smell that it's not all this foo-foo and fruit stuff that we don't know what it is. Because I hate to say, people be like, oh, you should lotion down your body. But I really don't, because I don't know. Like, is that what caused cancer, all these lotions and fragrances? So at least we know this is natural quality. Like, I know this stuff came from the earth. I'm excited. I'm excited that I can share this with you guys. I think I'm going to take a picture and put it on Instagram. Or I could upload this because it's on that phone, huh? So, I'm just, your hoodologist, trapologist, figure, this is what we're going to be doing my Patreon in downstairs, though. Because I'm, that room, I guess I'll be on this little stoop thing from my couch. So, have a wonderful week. Love on your loved ones while you can. Love on your loved ones while you are here, while I'm here, while we are here. And I'm glad to have you here. And I hope that you choose to come back and see what's up and what we talking about. But it's a little tough around here. We eat solid foods, not piece of half of foods. And for somebody who hit me on my thing talking about some, you have to be guilty to get a civil suit. I know. That's how they got a civil suit. Yeah. It was civil suits and criminal suits are different. People who work here and be here, they already know that. You can be guilty in a civil suit and not guilty in a criminal suit and still have to pay a family. And you can you be not guilty in civil and guilty in criminal? Yeah, technically, since they do it the other way around. Usually it don't happen like that, but it's happening somewhere. But y'all kids, don't make fun of my lip stuff. I'm trying to get like y'all. I'm just playing. Y'all know I ain't trying to get like y'all. I ain't trying to get like the young people or the old people. But if I got a choice, I'm gonna rap for these young people. Y'all old people got some problems. So we'll talk about that in another video. Deuces.